Jollibee nakatry na pero ang ano man, masarap lang yung buns. I will pay for you all to get the better quality burgers. I will send to you now. Oh my goodness! Are you sure, Sir Todd? On my Palawan Pay? Orang manamu. Thank you! So that I can buy burger today. And I will cash out to 7-Eleven. Beef. Yeah. Thank you so much. So we will buy the big one, the big time burger.
Until 7 a.m.
Okay, we will buy the big time burger with pack man na siya. Thank you so much, Richard.
Yes.
Oh my goodness. So big.
Isa na talaga.